This is the mother of Pakistani neuroscientist Dr. Aafia Siddiqui, who is locked away in Carswell prison in the United States, described by her mother as one of the most notorious detention facilities in the world. She recently talked to her daughter and says that Aafia's physical and mental health have been deteriorating, something Pakistan's ambassador to the US confirms. She's been named the Daughter of Nation by Premier Gillani, a daughter who was sentenced to 86 years in prison by the judicial system of the US, whose spy, Raymond Davis, has recently been released from Pakistani prison in exchange for blood money, something US officials deny that they paid for. Aafia's sister Fouzia says that their request for a new lawyer for Afia has been turned down by the US authorities, and that they have not been consulted before filing an appeal on April 15 by Afia's court-appointed lawyer, Dawn Cardi.
Dawn Cardi, she was the lead lawyer. Chad Edgar, and then Charles Swift, Elaine Sharp, and Linda Moreno. This was the whole group of lawyers, which remains. Afia rejected each and every one of them. We as a family rejected them in the sense that we said that we would want independent lawyers. Not that whether they're competent or not, that wasn't the issue. The issue was that for once we wanted to be in control. We wanted lawyers of our choice who are independent, who are not being paid by a government that has sold its own citizens.
Siddiqui was sentenced on 7 counts in a federal court in Manhattan. Less than a month after the sentencing, she fired her lawyers. The US official claims she was an Al-Qaeda agent, but her family says this is a cover-up. Many in Pakistan believe Siddiqui has been a prisoner of the United States since her disappearance from Karachi in 2003.
She has been locked in a room for years and tortured in every possible way. So how can I expect she would be physically and mentally well? I felt she was very depressed when I talked to her on the phone. And my worries increased even further when I talked to our ambassador to the US, who confirmed that she has been affected mentally and physically.
The Zardari administration says they are trying their best to ensure the safe and immediate release of Dr. Siddiqui, but nothing has been materialized so far. Her release has become a national issue in Pakistan, and it has attracted the attention of human rights groups across the globe, who say she is deprived of the rights a detainee should have according to international law. Toori, Press TV, Karachi.